Hello everyone, thanks for joining my channel, RPGuru Tech Talk. This is Renu Prasad. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to watch more fun videos and also get updated when new videos are uploaded in my channel. Thank you so much.
In this video, I will show you how to merge two separate videos into one single video. For this example, I have two videos. If you see in this folder here, I want to merge them and to create one. So I go to VSDC, click on import content and select the first one, the LWX, and because that will be my first part of the video in the converted one. And now click on the button which says add video and add the other video, click on other video and say open. And before it gets placed, you need to tell where it is, say end of the video and make sure everything is correct and say OK. Now what it does is it adds the video to the end of that first video. So now we can just test it out and see if it's added correctly. So I just move the cursor back a bit and play the video. And you can see it's the first video will almost end now, and it goes to the second video right away. So this is a way you need to add two videos to create one. The next step is click on projects, click on export project, web and MP4. That's the format I want, and change the name because you don't want to overwrite the existing one. So I'm going to say final .mp4. And I'm going to place it in the same folder where I picked the two videos from, so that I know where it is when I complete the process. Click on export. Once I'm going to fast forward this conversion. It takes some time. And the preview will actually, when it's converting, it will show you what the video is about, but you can remove preview to process the thing faster. It's completed now. It says conversion was completed. Say OK. And then close the VSDC app. It says, do you want to save it? Say no. And we have the final video there. Hope this helps. Talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye.